Are you ready for the journey? The frame needs to be sturdy to hold the lights and screens.
The LED screen is installed. Let's light it up later to see what happened.
Be careful! These wires are the lifeline of the lights!
The audience needs to be full, just like a HUNTRIX concert.
The basic structure of the stadium is set.
Another back LED screen is installed. Let's light it up to see Rumi, Zoey, and Mira's performance.
Every light stick needs to glow, just like passionate HUNTRIX fans.
What would it be like to stand on the HUNTRIX stage?
Place them in the center. HUNTRIX needs to shine.
Place them in the center. HUNTRIX needs to shine.
Every part must be perfect. HUNTRIX can't have any mistakes.
The final step, let's protect the HUNTRIX stage with this glass cover.
It feels like singing with Rumi, Zoey, and Mira.
Let's take a selfie to remember our memorable day of making the stadium concert for HUNTRIX. Look, we're done. The HUNTRIX concert is coming to life.
What perfect day! Thank you, HUNTRIX. You're the best.
Yummy! Yummy! Thanks for joining our HUNTRIX journey, and feel free to like, subscribe, and share my channel. See you next time!
Hey, don't go first. It's bloopers time.
Be careful! These wires are the lifeline of the lights!
Be careful! These wires are the lifeline of the lights!
Let's take a selfie to remember our memorable day of making the stadium concert for HUNTRIX.
Yummy! Yummy!